Namaste students. Today we are going to learn Dvitiyah Patah Durbuddhihi Vinashati. Lesson number 2. Crooked mind person perishes. Children, this lesson Durbuddhihi Vinashati has taken from a very famous moral story book of Sanskrit, Panchatantra. The author of the book is Vishnu Sharma. This lesson teaches us how crooked-minded people indulge their life in danger. So let us begin. Durbuddhihi vinashati. Asti Magadha deshe fullotpala nama sarah. Magadha deshe fullotpala nama sarah asti. Magadha deshe, in the country of Magad, Fullotpala nama sarah, a lake named Fullotpala asti is. So there is a lake named Fullotpala in the country of Magad. Tatra Sankata Vikatau Hansau Nivasatah. Tatra, there, Sankata Vikatau, Sankata and Vikata, Hansau, two swans, Nivasatah, used to live. There means in that Fullotpala lake there lived two swans named Sankata and Vikata. Kambugriva namakah tayoho mitram ekah kurmah api tatra eva prativasati sma. Kambugriva namakah तयोः मित्रम एकः कुर्मः अपि तत्र एव प्रतिवसति स्म. Kambugriva namakah, Kambugriva named, tayoh there, mitram friend, ekah kurmah one turtle, api also tatra eva there only, prativasati sma used to live. So these two swans, they have a friend named Kambugriva, a turtle Kurmaha, which used to live there only. There only means in that Fullotpala lake. Atha ekada dhivaraha tatra agachan. Atha ekada, once, dhivaraha, fishermen, tatra, there, agachan, came. Once the fishermen came there near the Fullotpala lake. Te akathayan, they said, vayam shvaha matsya kurmadin marishamaha. Vayam, we, shvaha, tomorrow, Matsya Kurmadin, the fishes and other aquatic animals, Marishamaha, will hunt, will kill, will hunt actually. Tomorrow, they said, tomorrow we will hunt the fishes and other aquatic animals. Etat Shrutva. Etat Shrutva. By listening this, Kurmah, turtle, Avadat, said. Etat Shrutva Kurmah Avadat. By listening this, the turtle said, Mitre, my friend, Kim Yuvabhyam Dhivaranam Varta Shruta. Kim, whether Yuvabhyam, you two, Dhivaranam, of the fishermen, Varta, speech, words, conversation, Shruta, listen, heard. The turtle said, by listening this, the turtle said, O my friends, whether you two have listened, heard the words or conversation of the fisherman? Adhuna kim aham karomi. Adhuna now. Aham I. Kim what? Karomi do. Now what should I do? Now what should I do? Hansau avadatam. Hansau to swan. Avadatam said. The two swans said, Pratah yad uchitam tat kartavyam. Pratah morning. Yad uchitam whatever is right. Tat kartavyam will do. In the morning, whatever is right, whatever is good for us, that we will do. Kurmaha avadat. Kurmaha avadat. The turtle said, Maevam. No. Tad yatha aham anya ridam gacchami tatha kurutam. Yatha aham. Aham I. Anyam other. Ridam sarovaram lake. Gacchami I should go. Tatha like that. Kurutam do. Ma evam no don't. Yatha then what you must do? That I must go to some another lake, or I must reach to some another lake. Do that. Tatha kurutam. Hansau avadatam. The two swans said, Avam kim karvavam. What should we do? What should we do? Kurmaha avadat. The turtle said, Aham yuvabhyam sah akasha margena anyatra gantum ichhami. Aham I yuvabhyam sah along with you to akasha margena by the way of sky, by the passage of sky. Anyatra somewhere else. Gantum ichhami want to go. So the turtle said, along with you too, I want to go somewhere else by the way of, by the passage of sky. Hansau avadatam. The two swans said, Atra kaha upayaha. So atra here, kaha what? Upayaha idea. What is the idea? What is your idea here? What you want to do? Kachapaha vadati. The turtle said, Yuvam kashtadandam ekam chanchva dharyatam. Yuvam, you too, kashtadandam, a wooden stick, ekam, one, chanchva, in the beak, dharyatam, hold. You too hold a wooden stick in your beaks. Aham, I, kashtadanda madhe, in that wooden stick, avalambya, by hanging, yuvayoho pakshabalena, by the strength of your wings, sukhena gamishami. Sukhena, comfortably, gamishami, will go. Aham, I, by hanging with the wooden stick and by the strength of your wings, will go happily, will fly happily. Hansau akathayatam. The two swans said, Sambhavati eshaha upayaha. Eshaha upayaha sambhavati. This idea is possible. Kintu, but, atra, here, ekah, one, apayaha, api, vartate. Children, see, you must have observed that while reading some words, I am breaking them. So this breaking of the word is only called as sandhi. So whenever you want to make out the meaning, you have to break the words and then only you get the exact meaning. So kintu, but, atra, here, ekah, one, apayah, apayah, danger, api, also, vartate, is, here there is one danger, here there is one problem also. आवाभ्याम नियमानं त्वाम् अवलोक्य जनाः किंचिद वदिष्यन्ति एव. आवाभ्यां नियमानं, while we two will carry you, त्वाम् अवलोक्य, by seeing you, जनाः, people, किंचिद, something, वदिष्यन्ति एव, will say, means when we two will carry you, when we two will carry you, by seeing you hanging in the air, janaha, people, will say something. Definitely they will say something, because this will be an amazing scene for them. So यदि त्वम् उत्तरं दास्यसि तदा तव मरणं निश्चितम्. यदि, if, त्वं, you, उत्तरं दास्यसि, will answer, will give answer, तदा, तव, your, मरणं, death, निश्चित, is definite. Means if you will answer, if people will say something about you and if you will answer, then definitely you will die. Tava maranam nishitam. Atah, that's why, tvam atra eva vasa. Atra eva vasa. That's why you live here only, you stay here only. Tat shrutva, by listening that. Kruddhaha kurmaha avadat. The angry turtle said, Kim aham murkha, whether I am a fool, whether am I a fool? Uttaram na dasyami, I will not answer, I will not answer. Uttaram na dasyami. Kinchidapi na vadishyami, I will not say anything. Ataha aham yatha vadami tatha yuvam kurutam. Atah, that's why, aham, I, yatha, like, vadami, say, tatha, like that, yuvam kurutam. So that's why whatever I am telling you, you do that. Whatever I am telling you, you too do that. एवं काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं कूर्मं पौराः अपश्यन्. एवं काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं कूर्मं पौराः अपश्यन्. Evam, likewise, Kashtadande, in the wooden stick, Lambamanam, hanging, Kurmam, turtle, Pauraha, citizens, the people, Apashan, saw or have seen. Evam, Kashtadande Lambamanam, Kurmam, Pauraha, Apasham. Evam, like this, Kashtadande, in the wooden stick, Lambamanam, hanging, Kurmam, the turtle, Pauraha, the citizens, people, Apashan, saw. In this way, the citizens, the people, saw the turtle hanging in the wooden stick. Pashat adhavan avadan. Then the people started running behind it and avadancha, and said, Ham ho mahad asharyam. Oh, it is amazing, indeed it is amazing. Hansabhyam saha kurmopi uddiyate. Hansabhyam saha, along with the swans, kurmaha api uddiyate. The turtle is also flying. Along with the swan, the turtle is also flying. Kashid vadati, someone said, Kashid vadati, someone said, Yadi ayam kurmaha kathamapi nipatati. If this kurmaha, turtle, kathamapi nipatati, anyhow falls, tada, then atra eva here only paktva, cooking, khadishami, will eat. Yadi ayam kurmah kathamapi nipatati, if this turtle anyhow falls on the ground, on the floor, then I will cook it, I will cook that turtle atraiva khadishami, and I will eat here only. Aparaha avadat, the other person said, Sarastire dagdva khadishami, I will cook near the lake and I will eat. Anyaha akathayat, other person said, Gruham nitva bhakshishami, Gruham home, nitva by carrying, bhakshishami will eat, by carrying it, by carrying the turtle, I will eat at my home. Tesham tad vachanam shrutva, Tesham there, tad vachanam, those words, shrutva, listening, kurmaha, the turtle, kruddaha jataha, became angry. By listening those words of the people, the turtle became very angry. Mitrabhyam dattam vachanam vismrutya saha avadat. Mitrabhyam, to the friends, dattam vachanam, given promise, vismrutya, forgot, saha avadat, he said. The turtle forgot the promise which he has given to his friend and said, Yuyam bhasma khadata. Yuyam means you all. Bhasma, ash, khadata. You are all eat ash. Tat kshanameva. That moment only. Kurmaha dandat bhumau patataha. At that moment only, Kurmaha, the turtle, dandat, from the wooden stick, bhumau, on the ground, patitaha, fell. At that moment only, the turtle fell on the ground from the wooden stick, because it was hanging on the wooden stick. So from the wooden stick, the turtle fell down, and Pauraihi sahamaritaha. Pauraihi, by the people, sahamaritaha, it was killed, and it was killed by the people. Ataha eva uktam. That's why it is truly said that Surudam hitakama nam vakyam yaha na abhinandati saha kurmaha eva durbuddhihi kashtad bhrashtoho vinashati. Surudam, of the friends. Hitakamanam vakyam, beneficial word, good words. Yaha, one who is na abhinandati. Don't accept, don't accept, don't respect. Saha, that person. Kurmaha eva, like the turtle. Durbuddhihi, crooked turtle. Durbuddhihi kurma eva, like crooked turtle. Kashthat, from the wooden stick. Bhrashtaha vinashati, falls and dies. So what is the complete meaning of the shloka? A person who doesn't listen, who doesn't accept the words said by his friend, his relatives, that person perishes, that person dies, like the crooked minded turtle which falls from the wooden stick and died. That person also perishes. One who doesn't listen the words of the friend, good words of the friend, that person dies, that person suffers like the turtle which died by falling from the wooden stick. So in this way, children, we have completed the translation in English of the lesson. After this, we will discuss the question answers.
Answers. Till then, Shubhadinam. Dhanyavadah.